Hey, what's up guys? So in today's video we will see how to customize your keyboard on your Xiaomi Redmi smartphone. To do that, just open the keyboard and tap on the settings icon. From here, just tap on themes, and from here you can select the theme of the keyboard you want. You can either select from the dark gradients or from the light gradients, or you can choose any of the landscape images from here. We will choose this one. Just tap on it to download, and from here you can enable or disable this option to give the keys on your keyboard a border. We will enable this option, hit apply. Now go back. From here, tap on preferences, and from here just enable number row, and a number row will always appear on your keyboard. And from here, just enable show emoji switch key, with which you can select the emojis on your keyboard. Just go back, and from here, as you can see, we have customized our keyboard. We have changed the theme of our keyboard, and as you can see, this is the number row and it will be always shown on your keyboard. And from here you can select the emojis, and this is how you can customize your keyboard on your Xiaomi Redmi smartphone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.